Here is how we can change the city time widget on the iPhone. So as you can see, I have the time right there, but at the top or above the time, we're still within the widget. You can see the little shortcut from 3 letters, which says the UB, which says basically means Dublin, Ireland, right? And it essentially behaves or shows me the time in that time zone, right, in that city. So if you want to change it, just hold it down on it like this. Click on Edit Widget, and it's going to flip over, and you can see that it was indeed set to that city. So you can tap on the city selector and choose any city in the world, right? So you can look it up with the search below or scroll through it alphabetically, right? And let me choose Ottawa, Canada, right? And now that I chose a different city, and if I come back to the home screen, you can see that the widget got black because it's night in that time zone, and it also shows me the different time zone, obviously different time, and there is the different shortcut representing the city I chose. So that's how you can change the time zone for your widget. But if you want to add your local time, you have to add a new widget once again. So hold down like this, click on Edit, and add a new one. And from the clock section, just pick either the first one, or these also show the local time, and now the other one shows the different city, right, from different locations. So for local time, choose any of these 4, right? And now this is the time in where I happen to be at the moment. So let me know what you think below. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.